Cash advance apps usually approve users based on factors like account activity, income information, and eligibility rules instead of using a traditional credit check alone. By the end, you'll know what to look for in cash advance apps, how approval usually works, and how to avoid apps with unclear fees or requirements. The first thing to understand is that approval is not guaranteed. Each cash advance app has its own eligibility process, and approval depends on whether you meet that app's requirements. Before applying, check what information the app requires. Some apps may ask you to connect a bank account, verify income, or provide other details to determine eligibility. The second thing to check is the cost. A cash advance app may have different ways of charging users, so read the fee details before requesting money. Look for clear information about optional fees, subscription costs, transfer charges, or other expenses. Knowing the total cost helps you decide whether the advance is worth using. The third thing to check is repayment. Understand when repayment happens, and how the app handles the amount you receive. Before accepting an advance, review the repayment terms inside the app. This helps you avoid surprises when the repayment date arrives. Another important step is checking account requirements. Some cash advance apps require specific account connections or activity before they can evaluate your request. Do not assume every app works the same way. Compare the requirements before choosing one because a feature that works for one person may not work for another. User reviews can also show common experiences. Look for repeated complaints about unexpected fees, unclear approval rules, or problems with customer support. Reviews are useful for spotting patterns, but always check the app's own terms because requirements can change. The best way to use a cash advance app is to treat it as a short-term option and understand every condition before accepting money. Start by checking eligibility, reviewing costs, and confirming repayment details. These steps help you choose an app that matches your situation. Cash advance apps can be useful for managing a temporary gap, but the details matter more than the advertising. To summarize, check approval requirements, understand all fees, and review repayment terms before using a cash advance app. Your next step is to compare a few apps and read their current rules before applying. If this guide helped you understand cash advance apps better, like the video and subscribe for more practical money guides.